This is the thinnest Magsafe charger on the market right now, and it's got 10,000 milliamp hour of power. It's got 2 USB Type-C inputs and output, and it's also got a built-in USB Type-C cable that looks like a strap. Pretty cool, really cool design. And to top it off, it's got a kickstand. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and unbox it and review it. So let's go ahead and let's unbox the INIU Powerbank P73 E1, and this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. So yeah, you heard correctly, this is one of the slimmest Magsafe power banks that you can get in the market currently, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, INIU. They are doing some crazy technology here right now to get it so slim, and also to include Magsafe technology. So on top of that, you can see over here it's also got 15 watts of max wireless charging and 30 watts max wired charging, so it can do Magsafe wired, so it can do Magsafe wireless, and it can also do wired charging, which is pretty cool. You also get 3 years warranty with it as well, which is amazing. Of course, we've got the lovely magnetic signs everywhere, all round. On the back over here, just some information with the company and if you need to contact them, and their support, all the simple stuff. I love the tab that they've done here. Very Apple style packaging that they've done, and I guess it's a product for Apple products. So they tried to stick with the image really, and I like that they did that. I think that's really interesting. So let's go ahead and let's have a look and see what we've got inside of here. So we have the actual charger itself, and what seems to be a wrist strap with a cable. That's pretty interesting. We'll have a look at that. We got user manual, which I mean, who's going to really use the manual for a power bank, but great that it comes with one. And then we just got a card. Nice, lovely. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will put the link down below in the description. I'll also put the company's website as well. And here we have it, the power bank. So this is the company's logo. It's like a paw print, and it looks quite nice, and I do have to say it is actually very, very slim. So we've got like this metal aluminium feel all round. We've also got a kickstand as well, so as a dual product really, you can connect it to your phone, charge your phone at the same time, balance it down somewhere, use it as a stand. And I kid you not, I have a Anker Magsafe currently, an Anker Magsafe charger, and that has no stand, and it's actually quite annoying. I went on a plane journey recently, and I wanted to be able to put it on the table and watch while charging, but I couldn't, so I don't have a stand on the phone, and obviously while I'm charging I can't because it doesn't have a stand. So it's really, really great design that they decided to put this kickstand. We can see here we got a power on, power off indicator. You can see it over here, and that's a really cool feature. The port lights up and it shows you how much charge you got, which is pretty nice. So we're guessing on this one we've got 50%. Each indicator must be 25%. We've got a USB Type-C port underneath, and then we got, of course, our actual Magsafe connection over here, and it's a very nice grippy, rubby feel to it as well. So let's go ahead and grab my iPhone and let's snap it on charge and see how it looks. So if I open this up here, just swipe my notifications, and as simple as that. Press the button to power on, maybe. There you go. And it's charging. Simple as that, really. So in order to show you the kickstand, I did have to go onto a flat surface here. As you can see, the kickstand works a lot better when it's on a flat surface. Now let's go ahead and have a look at what's going on here. So this is an interesting wrist strap design that they've gone for, but of course it actually holds a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which is awesome. Really, really like that idea. And of course this USB Type-C can be used at input and output, and you simply plug in your phone and then charge it that way. There you go. Simple as, really. This is really nice, really good little feature, and I think this power bank is probably the best Magsafe power bank currently out there in the market. So definitely have to say, build quality wise, thickness. This is super thin for a Magsafe charger, and it's 10,000 milliamp hour. That's amazing. So yeah, definitely build quality great, thickness is great, works like a charm, and it's actually got 2 USB Type-C input output, one there and one there, which is pretty cool. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. If I've got any coupon codes, I'll also put that down below in the description as well. And as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.